Hello! Ayan, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po dito sa Angel Francia PH Tarot. Ayan, mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video po, titignan natin kung ano ang past, present, and future kapalaran ng ating 12 zodiac signs. Magsisimula ako sa fire signs. So, pakitignan na lang po sa baba or sa sa pinned comments, no? Yung timestamp. Kung hindi nyo makita sa pinned comments, andun sa description details ng video na ito. So, ayan. Bago ako magsisimula, I hope you like that sound. I love that sound. Ayan. Okay, so ayan. Mga madam and sir, meron na po tayong panangga sa kulam. Sa interesado, this is 1,000. May kasamang ritual. Nadasalan ko na din ito. Makikita niyo yung ritual na ginawa ko dito sa mga videos. Hanapin niyo yung video na entitled Panangga sa Kulam. Okay? This is 1,000. May kasamang prayer, instructions sa envelope. Okay? 1,000 pesos sa panangga sa kulam. This is black tourmaline na may ritual. Okay? Now, available para ng ating all-in-one powerful red bracelet. Makikita niyo yung mga feedbacks sa Facebook page, Angel Francia PH Tarot. This is 700 pesos. And now, meron na rin tayong ancestral generation, ancestral curse healing. Yung sumpa sa inyong angkan, tatanggalin na nito. Okay? Sa pamamagitan nito, sa gagawin yung ritual kasama dito. Okay? So, ayan. This is 1,900. Okay? Sa may gusto, message lang kayo sa Facebook page, Angel Francia PH Tarot. Okay? Ayan, magsisimula na tayo. Past, present, and future kapalaran ng ating 12 zodiac signs. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ayan. Past, present, and future kapalaran ng ating fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Past, present, and future kapalaran. Fire signs. Alright. In the past, you have the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like in the past, okay, a lot of you right now, fire signs, you are moving forward. Okay? Let's see. Different scenarios. Okay. Wait lang guys, ha? Bear with me in a moment. Okay. Maybe a lot of you right now, fire signs, you're dealing with a cancer. Some of you are dealing with a cancer. Okay? I see you moving forward. Okay? There's a lot of movement forward for fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Especially this coming 888. It's the Lion's Gate portal. A lot of opportunities are coming for our fire signs. I see this coming. Okay? Claim this if I were you. Claim this moving forward. Some of you are planning to buy a car. This will come true. Claim this. Okay? Alright, next. First scenario. I feel like in the past, you are focused with your money. In the past, I feel like focus kayo sa career ninyo. You're very generous. Ang dami nyong natulungan. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You have a lot of money. You're living a very luxurious lifestyle. Bongacious ang lifestyle nyo dati. You have a lot of money. and you're very generous. Everything was very prosperous for you in the past. Okay? I feel like at the moment, the present moment right now, you are trying to forget your problems. Ang dami yung pinoproblema, and you're trying to forget. You're trying to... Ang gusto niyong umalis para magkapera ulit. Kasi I feel like in the past, and then along the way, yung iba sa inyo, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you decided to nag-asawa, you decided to settle down. Okay? But before that, you were living a very luxurious lifestyle, bongacious, kumbaga. Everything was abundant for you. Like, maybe some of you were galing sa mayamang angkan, and you're very living a very comfortable life. Hindi kayo naubusan ng pera. Okay? Galante. Madaming pera. Okay? Spoiled. Something like that. Umuulan na naman. Now, at the present moment, you are trying to forget some problems right now. You're trying to, some of you are planning to, planning to work abroad, planning you just like, gusto nyong makaahon, gusto nyong makaalis, gusto nyong makalimutan yung mga, ang dami yung iniisip, no? But this is you, balik ako guys ha, kasi malakas ang ulan. I'll be right back. Okay, so, at the present moment, some of you are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you're trying to forget your problems at the moment. Gusto nyong makalimot. Okay, and you will. You will. This is you leaving the difficulties in your life. This is you finally going to the calmer waters. This is you. Some of you want to escape your finances, financial problems. Some of you want to escape your financial responsibility. Gusto yung makaalis sa isang sitwasyon na palagay ko is parang ikaw na lang ang laging inaasahan. Gusto mong makaalis. There's this energy at the moment na gusto mong makaalis sa isang mabigat na sitwasyon, napaka-difficult na sitwasyon. Now, in the future, I just don't know when, makaka-receive ka ng message, makakatanggap ka ng good news, and makakaalis kayo. Kung saan man kung gusto niyo namang umalis, ibang bansa, you will. Okay, I see you traveling to some place. This is you going to the distance. Alam mo yung kanta na, Go the Distance, pakinggan nyo yun. Yan ang energy na nakikita ko. This is you going to the distance. And I feel like in the past, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you were living in a very luxurious lifestyle. Okay? Ang dami nyong mabili, kahit anong gusto nyo, mabibili niyo. And at the moment, ang dami nyong, or lately, ang dami nyong pinoproblema. And you want to go back to that same lifestyle. And you will. Namimiss mo yung dati na masagana ang pamumuhay, kumbaga. Hindi mahirap ang buhay. And you will. I see you going that. Okay? In that direction. Because we have the Chariot. The Chariot is a confirmation with all of this scenario. Okay, now different scenario. For some of you in the past, it's either someone or someone gave you a silent treatment. Someone in the past, there was no communication in, parang there's no communication and it's a third party situation. Some of you were in a third party or nasangkot kayo sa isang third party, parang ganon. Or maybe, for some of you, there's this particular person who were very in and out in your life. Minsan, kinakausap ka. Minsan, gino-ghost ka. Minsan, mahilig siyang magbigay sa'yo ng silent treatment. Or ikaw. Okay? For some of you, you were in a situation na mahirapan kang pumili ng desisyon. Now, at the present moment, some of you are still thinking about the past because you feel it's either at the present moment, you want to be with that person. There is this longing to go to her or to go towards that person. Tama ba? Kasi in the past, nahirapan kang magbitaw ng desisyon, nahirapan kang pumili in the past. And this has something to do with your love life. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There is this, nahirapan ka talaga pumili in the past. Nahirapan kang mag-decide, pero nakapag-decide ka. Yung nga lang, nahirapan ka. Now, at the present moment, nagkaroon siya ng effect sa'yo, na-trigger ka. You want to be with this person, whoever that person on your mind right now. Binabalik-balikan mo siya. You're still in love with that person. You are. I see that energy here. You are still in love. You have this hopeful energy. You wanted to go to that person. Gusto mo siyang puntahan, or gusto mo na puntahan kanya. There is this longing. There is this, ano bang Tagalog sa longing? Yung bang, namimiss mo yung kalinga, gano'n, namimiss mo yung pagmamahal, hinahanap-hanap mo siya, kumbaga. Tama ba? Hanggang ngayon, hinahanap-hanap mo rin pa rin siya. Oh, lumiwanag. Hinahanap-hanap mo ang pagmamahal mo sa kanya, hinahanap mo ang pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Now, in the near future, mahihirapan ka. You are still gonna carry this passion. Alam mo yun? It's so heavy. Mahirapan kang dalhin. Dala mo to sa pagtanda mo. Itong pasan na pasan mo pa rin to. Hindi ka makalimot eh. Hindi mo siya mabibitawan. Maging kayo man o hindi, I don't think so, kasi I don't think na mag-uusap kayo. Pero andun siya sa isipan mo. Lagi-lagi. Tama ba? Hindi kayo nagko-communication. Is either blinak ka niya ngayon or meron na siyang iba. Maybe this is your childhood crush or childhood ex. I don't know. There's something about this relationship or this connection na hanggang ngayon, hindi mo pa rin makalimutan. Now, in the future, kahit pagtanda mo, dala-dala mo pa rin siya. And you carry this feeling, this connection, hanggang sa pagtanda. No? Hanggang na yung puti na yung buhok mo. Okay? And you wanted to be with this person. Tama ba? Alright, different scenario. In the past, I feel like in the past, you've gained a lot of recognition. Malakas ang pangangatawan mo. Lagi kang nagbibiyahe. A lot of people are drawn to you. In the past, you were sort of like a celebrity. You receive a lot of rewards. Okay? You were on top of nasa mataas kang posisyon. Maybe you were a CEO, a manager, something like that. And you receive a lot of recognition in your work, in your job. May rewards, ang daming promotions. Okay? Now, at the present moment, because of your hard work, you were so generous. Okay? You were giving. Okay? And I feel like the present moment, this also mean na I feel like in the past, there is this, alright, nagigets ko na. There is this wish in the past. There is this plan in the past na gusto mong makahikayat ng mga tao. Gusto mong maging sikat sa social media. Gusto mong manalo para makatulong sa mga kapwa mo na nangangailangan. Tama ba? Para makatulong ka at the present moment sa mga taong nangangailangan. And you will, because in the future, you have that wish fulfillment. Kung ano man yung gusto mong maabot in the past, at the present moment, because of your generosity, charity, energy, like there is this energy na gusto mong magbigay. You want to create a charity, something like that. And you will, in the near future, kapalaran mo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, some of you your wish will come true. So make that wish. Your wish is going to come true. Matutupad yung wish mo na yan. Whatever that wish is. Okay? Okay. I also see that some of you, if wish ninyo na mababayaran na kayo ng mga magkautang sa'yo, in the future, yes, mababayaran ninyo. Mababayaran kayo at mababayaran nyo yung utang ninyo. That's what I'm seeing about the Six of Pentacles usually. Alright, different scenario. In the past, some of you were nakasal. This is the kind of kasal na nasa hindi sa simbahan. Most probably na simbahan, but this is like mostly this is korte, civil wedding. If not civil wedding, nagkaroon kayo ng nag-asawa ka ng maaga, something like that, ang narinig ko. And for some of you, if not in that scenario, nakipag-commit ka, nag-live-in kayo, something like that. Okay? Parang nagkaroon lang ng parang sapilitan, napilitan ka. There is this energy na feeling ko na parang some of you napilitan lang sumama sa lalaking ito for some situation, for some reason. There is this energy na parang na forced commitment ang nakikita ko. Now, naapektuhan ngayon at the present moment, ang dami mong it's either there's full of anxiety, you're not happy in this commitment, full of depression, there is this always, maybe some of you were abused, inaabuso, umiiyak lagi, sinasaktan, may panic attacks, may depression, may something like that. You're not in a very healthy situation or relationship. It's very toxic. Very toxic, hindi kayo nakakatulog sa gabi and naapektuhan ang kalusugan mo. Now, kapalaran mo in that scenario, you will break free. In the future, ma-realize mo that there's something out there for me. In the future, makikita mo na hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang buhay ko. In the future, puno ng pag-asa ang buhay mo, ang kapalaran mo. I really see that for you. See? Look at this. Being together in a commitment, and then in the past and the present, puno ng pasakit, puno ng iyak, puno ng pasakit ang nakikita ko. Worriness, abuse, very toxic na relationship. And now, in the future, you see like, you're ready to get out of that situation, and you will. Some of you are planning to work abroad, mga ibang bansa, and you will. Makakapunta ka sa ibang bansa. I see you sailing. Okay? Malakas ang paniniwala mo. Malakas. Your faith is very strong here. Malakas ang pananalig mo sa sarili mo na makakaalis ka sa sitwasyon, makakaalis ka sa sitwasyon na to na napakalungkot, puno ng paghihinagpis. Alam mo yun, yung ganyan. And you will get out. Makakaalis ka sa dark situation na yan, sa dark energy na yan in the future. I love that energy. So, ayan, fire signs, that's all I have for you. Okay? Wow, I love your reading. Okay. Punta na tayo sa earth signs. Punta na tayo sa earth signs. Earth signs. Okay. Earth signs. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Past, present, and future. Past, present, and future. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Today is Friday, right? Okay. Ooh. There is a lot of you right now, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. There's energy of you wanting to save up money. You are hoarding, you are planning to save. There is this energy na gusto mong makaipon ng maraming pera. And I feel like you will. The theme of your reading for this is you planning to save up money. I feel like some of you are planning to save up money kasi pinaghahanda niyo yung Pasko. Tama ba? Ang galing ko manghula, no? Okay. Pinapatawa kayo lang kay guys. It's very humor. Okay, that was my humor, kind of humor. But anyway, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. First scenario. In the past, you were closing an old chapter. Some of you are closing you're ending a relationship na hindi na nag-work. You're ending something. You're ending a lot of things, a lot of relationship, family, love life, situation. This is general, this is major. So, a lot of you, some of you, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you are ending a certain chapter in your life. People that are no longer serving you, you're ending that. People who are not with you, you're ending that. People na, alam mo yun, na feeling mo na hindi ka na natutuwa. Hindi ka na natutuwa sa mga ginagawa, or feeling mo na hindi mo na sila ka-vibes. You were ending that. And now, at the present moment, you were affected. You don't trust people easily now. And it's because of what you learned in the past with this World card. Tama ba? Okay? So, at the present moment, mahirap ka nang i-gain yung trust mo. And that's a good thing. You are setting some boundaries in your life. You're just protecting yourself. Okay? But sometimes, when it's too much, when you are building a lot of swords around you, to the point na hindi ka na makahinga. But don't worry, this is not actually bad. Because in the near future, it's really good. Makaka-receive ka ng good news. Okay, very exciting news. Makakilala ka ng new friends. Okay, you will receive your new life will full of excitement. There's a new energy coming in that's full of excitement, and you will learn some new people. You will learn a lot from these new people na may meet mo. It's like mabubuksan ang isipan mo na dati ay very closed. It's like maliliwanagan ka. It's like it's a very good news for you in the future na ma-realize mo na marami ka pa palang hindi alam sa mundo. Something like that. And it brings a lot of good energy with this Page of Wands. Wow, beautiful. I like this. Okay, different scenario. You have the Emperor. Okay, in the past, I feel like you were dealing with someone who's very, very rigid person, very controlling, very narcissistic. Okay, someone who is some of you in the past, you were in a relationship na very narcissistic ang person na to. Okay? Some of you were abused, something like that. And this person, parang siya ang nagko-control lahat sa buhay mo. Lahat sinusunod mo, mga sinasabi niya, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. In the past, you were dealing with someone who's very controlling, narcissistic, bossy, somewhat violent, nakakatakot, very bossy, stricta, something like that. And it feels like hindi ka halos makahinga. Now, at the present moment, you are healed. You're in this process of healing and renewing. You finally learn to let go and realize that that person doesn't define you. What did this person did to you? Kasi parang sa kanya umiikot yung mundo mo. Parang ganun. This like The world, di ba, hawak niya. Parang hawak niya yung buhay mo. So, parang feeling mo, sa kanya umiikot ang mundo mo. But now, at the present moment, you realize that, no, it's not. It's not about him. It's parang na-realize mo na, this time, ako naman, sarili ko. You realize your self-worth. You realize, like, something like that. And I feel like for some of you Taurus, there is this energy, and I also see that you building something for the future. In the past, you have a lot of plans. You put up some businesses. Different scenario nakikita ko actually. Okay? You holding this plan in your hands. And you were very strict. Some of you just focus in your work. Some of you have this, you embody this, you have a lot of plans in your life, no? Ang dami mong plano. Kasi at the past, ang dami mong pang pera. Ang dami mong pera. And you invested, some of them you invested in properties, real estate, buildings, condo, apartment, businesses. I see businesses. And now, some of those wish is about to come true. You realize that isa-isa natutupad ang mga pangarap mo. And you're so happy. Okay. But in different scenario, I feel like a lot of you are dealing with a past person who is very, at the same time, maybe this is your partner, na kontrolado ka. Okay, and now you realize na you're healing in that situation. It's very narcissistic because in the past, in the future, you finally learn to let go. You finally learn to forgive this person. In the past, matututunan mo din siyang patawarin sa mga nagawa niya sa'yo. Really? This is what I see. Judgment is about forgiving and releasing people. Releasing guilt, releasing negative. Because this is an angel, these are clouds. This is you, parang binigay sa'yo, binuksan ang heaven sa'yo. Alam mo yun? Binuksan ang pinto sa heaven para maka-enter ka. And once before you do that, you have to let go of past guilt, resentment, bitterness, ganyan, mga dark energy, toxic energy. So you feel light. Paano ka makakaangat kung mabigat yung mabigat yung energy mo. Okay? That's really what I see. Alright, in the past, there's a lot of opportunity. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have a lot of options in the past. Kaliwat kanan ang mga opportunity na dumating sa buhay mo in the past. Recent past, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 opportunities. Ang daming opportunities. Nahirapan kang pumili kasi lahat sa kanila dyan is, lahat sila maganda. Sige, lahat sila. Kumikinang. Okay? And you have dreams too. You have fantasies. Ang dami mo nang pinaplano. Isa sa mga plano mo is, sige, i-grab ko tong opportunity para makapagtayo ako ng mansion. Makabili ako ng sasakyan. Makabili na ako ng mga signature bags. Makabili ako ng mga shoes. Maging kagaya na ako ni Madam Laude, living in a very luxurious lifestyle. Makapunta ako sa ibang bansa. I have my own private plane o private jet. Ganyan mga wildest dreams, no? I can travel all around the world. Isa yan sa mga in the past. Okay, you have this. It's like daydreaming about what's to come, and you are so. It's like a child, no, na pag sinabi ng parent natin, punta tayo sa candy store. Para excited ka, punta ako sa candy store. Ano kayang bibilin ko? Anong kukunin ko? Ito, strawberry candy, ganyan. Parang ganyan ang energy mo. Now, at the present moment, you had this opportunity. One of those, it's big ang nakuha mo. Big ang nakuha mo opportunity. And you're still learning this right now with this Page of Pentacles. You're learning the process, and parang pinag-aaralan mo pa rin to sa ngayon at the present moment. This could be cryptocurrency, this could be collaboration of a business, affiliate marketing. I'm seeing like partnership, business partnership, or dealings, or like, I don't know. But this is big. Look at that. Diba? Hawak-hawak niya yung pentacles malaki. So this is big. Because you know what? In the future, look! Talaga namang magbibigay ng malaking pera itong opportunity na to na nakuha mo ngayon. I don't know what's that? Ano yan? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Right now, I wanna congratulate you because in the future, yung opportunity na yan na dumating sa'yo recently, kailan lang, ngayon lang, okay? Lahat ng mga pinangarap mo in the past, mga wildest dreams mo, matutupad in the near future. Look at this! See, hanggang pagtanda mo, yayaman ka. Para kang si Madam Laude, mga Laude family. Diba? Parang ganon. Isa sa mga mayaman dito sa Pilipinas, diba? Sino pa? Si. Mga si. Ayala. Mga ganon. Mga ganyang kalibre ng mga taong mayaman. That kind of wealth I'm seeing, this energy. Wow, this is good. But the advice here, I feel like with this Page of Pentacles, the advice is pag-aralang mabuti. Focus on that. Learn this opportunity. If this is an investment, if this is a business, pagtiyagaan mo, pag-aralan mo, mga paikot-ikot, how you navigate this in the business world, if this is marketing, focus on that. Pag-aralan mo mabuti. Okay? And it's like a student, di ba? Pag estudyante ka, pag-aralan mo, mag-study ka, para may good grades ka, para makapagtapos ka, para ang future mo, ay, kasaganahan. Oh, di ba? Ang galing. I love this. Alright, last scenario. I feel like in the past, daming away, daming gulo nangyayari in the past. This has something, for some of you, maybe this has something to do with family, relationships, very toxic environment, magulo. Now, at the present moment, may paghihiwalay na nangyari. Kasi in the past pa lang gulong-gulo na daming away. Jumbugan ang kikita ko salpukan, suntukan, sobrang away. Debate, diskusyon, nag-away. Halos araw-araw siguro nag-away. Kaya at the present moment, tumabog na talaga. Talagang di na kinaya, talagang bomba na, diba? But don't worry because in the future, you finally going to realize na there are some things na I have to really let go. You realize, magkakaroon ka ng idea na kung ganito pala ang pananaw ko noon, hindi na ako nagsayang ng energy na yan. In the future, realize mo na there are some things you have to let go and hindi mo kontrolado lahat. Yan ang ma-realize niyo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, na kung hinayaan ko lang sana, ang dami mong ma-realize in the past because of what's happened. So, this is gabay ha. So, ngayon pa lang, if there's something kaguluhan na nangyayari in the past, wag mong antayin to. Wag mong antayin na sumabog. May sumabog or something, I don't know. May maghiwalay, may mapuputol na relasyon, something like that. May hindi magandang mangyayari. But, you know what? If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. But the thing is, ma-realize mo in the future na kung sana sa ganitong sitwasyon ko tinignan, sa ganitong aspeto, sa ganitong anggulo ko tinignan yung sitwasyon, mag-iiba ang desisyon ko. Tama ba? So, ngayon pa lang ha, wag mong intaying sumabog. So, iwasan makipag-away. Iwasan. Hayaan mo na lang. There are some things you can't control. That's why the Four of Pentacles is here. Some of you, Taurus, Virgo, sa Capricorn, you're so stubborn. Mahirap, yung iba sa inyo, mahirapang i-let go. I-let go ang guilt, anger, or something like that. Okay, very sentimental too. Alright, punta na tayo sa air signs. Air signs. Okay, punta na tayo sa air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. Bago magsimula guys, patunogin ko lang to. Okay. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Shuffle natin ng maigi. Okay, in the past. Ooh, okay. Okay. A lot of you right now, air signs, ang dami yung iniisip. Some of you are cold-hearted. Some of you have plans. You are setting your goals. You're very focused on your goals and plans. Ang dami yung iniisip. Some of you overthinking because of you're very mentally stimulated this week, okay? Or this month. Queen of Swords, tignan natin kung paano to, confirmation. Now, in the past, I feel like in the past, you are holding on to something. Or you're holding back your feelings to someone. Okay, in the past, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Some of you in the past nahirapang mag-save ng pera, or this is you still holding on to something in the past. Past person, you're holding on to something because it feels like this person holds a very sentimental value in your life. Now, at the present moment, ang dami mong fantasies about this person. You're daydreaming about this person too. Ang dami yung daydreaming, ang daming pantasya. Alam mo yun, fantasizing. Daydreaming. There's a lot of daydreaming about you, or you are daydreaming about this person. Now, in the future, makaka-receive ka ng good news. Makaka-receive ka ng messages from this person that you are daydreaming about. And ikakagalak mo yan. Ikakagalak mo, ikakatuwa mo, ikakasaya mo. Now, in the past, ang daming struggles, no? In the past, binubuli ka, inaaway ka, iniisahan ka, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Iniisahan, binubuli, ninakawan. Alam mo yun, parang inisahan ang narinig ko na word. Lagi kang iniisahan ng mga tao, hindi ka tinutulungan, binubuli ka pa. Something like that. Now, at the present moment, you are in this energy where just right now, full of happiness, full of joy, you're being enlightened, no? Naging, masaya ka lang lately, malusog, masaya, full of energy, and I feel like you have been recovered. So, in the past, you feel defeated. In the past, you feel defeated in the past. At the present moment, nagkaroon ka ng pag-asa sa buhay. Laging masaya, full of energy, na nabuhayan ng loob, nabigyan ng pagbagong pag-asa at the present moment. Now, in the future, I love this energy. You are embodying this Queen of Wands. Lahat ng mga plano mo, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, you're heading towards expansion. business, career, goals, plans. This is a sign of success. Queen of Wands, you just laser focus sa mga goals and plans mo and you will succeed. You have the talent, the skills, and the body. May lakas kang harapin, may lakas kang tapusin, may lakas kang matupad ng mga mission mo, mga plano mo. Okay? I feel like makaka-receive talaga kayo ng message here with this, yung doorbell na tumunog. Okay? Ayan. Now, in the past, nahirapan kang there is this choice. Okay, I'm so sorry about that doorbell. Okay. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. In the past, you were so determined. In the past, I feel like some of you ng ibang bansa. Okay. You made a choice. Gusto yung umalis, hindi. Nandun yung energy na ayaw mong umalis, but you have no choice but umalis para sa kapakanan ng pamilya. Wala kang mahanap na trabaho sa Pilipinas kaya napilitan kang mga ibang bansa. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Okay. Now, at the present moment, may perang pumapasok pero alam mo yun, matagal. Nag-expect ka. You are planting your seed. Alam mo tong palay. Nag-invest kayo something about, and you were very confident here in the past. You're so confident. You were excited about this plan, this investment. Okay? Hang on a second. Hello. So, ayan. Okay, so, sana tayo? Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. I feel like in the near future, okay, in this scenario, kailangan habaan nyo yung pasensya nyo kasi there is money. Okay? Kaya lang mabagal. Okay? In the future, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, ma-realize nyo, matitest yung kung gaano kahaba ang pasensya nyo when it comes to your money and finances. Okay? You are planting your seed. 7 of Pentacles. Magbubunga yan. Ayan, marami oh. But, mukhang hindi ka masaya kasi masyado kang excited. Masyado kang hindi ka makaantay. Okay? A lot of you Gemini, especially Gemini, okay? And Libra, and Aquarius, hindi ka makaantay sa biyayang darating o ipagkaloob sa'yo. Okay? Ayan o, sad ka. Hindi mo nakakita yung mga blessings na meron ka. Hindi mo na-appreciate. Okay? Nandyan, I think there are some blockages. Yeah. You're so hindi mo nakakita kasi you have been blocked. Your energy is been blocked. There is a financial blockage in your life, some of you. May biyaya. There is money. In the past, you were so confident about your dreams with this Chariot. You know that you're heading towards success. You know ma-achieve mo to. Meron na yung pera, paparating na, andyan na. The Chariot card speaks confidence, success, and victory. You know this. Nafe-feel mo. Andyan na. Kontunting tiis na lang. And then, at the present moment, okay, so pasensya na guys, mga madam and sir, naputol kasi naubusan na yung battery yung camera ko. But anyway, so again, okay, in the past, you were so confident. Okay? You made the right choice in the past about your plans, your dreams, your goals with regards to your finances. You made the right choice. You know this. And you have this feeling in the past, recent past, na you will succeed. Okay? You have this in your head, the stars there. This is the energy of being successful, being abundant. You know in your heart, you know in your soul, in your mind, sa kaibturan ng iyong puso, sa kaibturan ng iyong, sa deep in your soul, you know that you will succeed. You're so confident. And then right now, the Knight of Pentacles, mukhang nakikita mo na yung pera. hahawakan mo na sana. Kaya lang, may blockages. Nakikita ko na blockages. Alam mo, you're so disappointed kasi hindi mo mahawakan. Look at that. Nandyan lang, malapit na, hindi mo paabot. Kunti na lang. Tama ba? Paparating na pero there's some blockages na nangyayari. And you're so disappointed and I feel you. I feel your energy. Okay. The money is coming pero there's something parang pumipigil. There is blockages ang tawag dyan, mga madam and sir. There's this dark energy na nagbablock sa'yo. You know what? If you are patient, if interesado ka, I am going to gagawa ko ng removal of financial blockages and money spell jar. 2-in-1 na yon. 2-in-1. For 850 each, yung money jar. Money spell jar. 2-in-1, money spell jar and removing of financial blockages ritual. 2-in-1. Antayin niyo katapusan. If interested kayo, mag-message na kayo sa akin. Ma'am, gusto ko yung financial blockages and money spell jar. Jar ang gagawin ko, okay? Gagawa ako ng spell jar. Okay? 850 pesos each. Mag-message kayo para ma-ready ko, ma-compute ko kung ilan ang mga kukuha. Kumbaga, maabisuhan ako kung ilang kayo gustong interesado. Mag-message kayo sa akin because I really do see meron ng money. Meron ng perang paparating. Kaya lang andun, hindi mo mahawak-hawakan, no? Ilang inches na lang, ilang days na lang, ilang minutes na lang. Pero there's something nagbablock. It's either, kasi hindi mo makita, you're so sad and disappointed. Malaking pera yan for some of you. And you know this in the past, you were so confident, excited, andito na ang pera, andyan na. There's just energy, right? And at the present moment, parang habang papalapit yung deadline na inaasahan mo, mawawala, madidelay, mapuputol, mapupospone, hindi matutuloy. So in the future, there's this. This is what you don't see. You have financial blockages in that area. Okay, so gagawa ako ng ritual dyan and spell. Okay, 850 each sa mga interesado. And then, para mawala yung mga blockages na yan sa finances ninyo. Okay? Para tuluyan nyo nang mahawakan yung mga pentacles, yung money na yan. Okay? Alright. Ayan, kaya pala. Alright, so ibang scenario. In the past, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, it's either meron kang iniisip or may nag-iisip sa'yo in the past. Hindi mo siya makalimutan, hindi kanya makalimutan. Take it how it resonates, no? Kasi the energy that I might be picking up, yung energy na kukuha ko ngayon might be your person's energy or your energy. So there's someone here, this talks about your relationship. There's someone here in the past na hindi mo mawala-wala sa isipan mo or hindi kanya mawala-wala. Day and night, lagi kang iniisip. Day and night, lagi mo siyang iniisip. Bago ka matulog, siya ang laman. Siya ang unang laman ng utak mo pagkagising, and siya din ang laman ng isip mo bago ka matulog. The last person who's in your mind and the first person when you woke up. Tama ba? And the feeling is mutual. I feel like dalawa kayo. Parehas kayong dalawa na ganito ang nararamdaman. Now at the present moment, there is this indecisive energy. Itong person na to very in and out in your life right now. Okay? I feel like in the past, nagkaroon ding separation. Nagkaroon kayo ng separation. And nagkaroon ng no communication. Tama ba? Blinak ka niya. Emotionally withdrawn person. Emotionally, yun nga. Binigyan kayo ng silent treatment. Blinak ka niya, hindi ka na niya pinapansin for how many months? 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Nakikita ko for 4 to 6 months. Yung iba last year pa. Yung iba kailan lang. Very on and off ang relationship ninyo at the moment, or right now, there's someone here, it's either you or this person. Take it how it resonates. Indecisive. Iniisip niya ngayon ang decision niya. Hindi siya makapag-decide. Kakausapin ka ba niya o hindi? A-approach ka ba niya o hindi? Itutuluyan na ba niyang iwan yung isa? For most of you, this is a third-party situation. Iiwanan na ba niya yung isa or tuluyan na ba niyang iwanan at saka sabihin niya yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo? Because in the future, what you don't see coming, ang hindi mo in the future, in this scenario, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, this person will apologize to you, will come back to you, niligawan ka niya, i-date ka niya, susuyuin ka niya. There's that scenario, different scenario. Mag-apologize, mapaparamdam ulit, or ikaw tong gagawa na to. But most importantly, I'm getting this energy that this person will finally realize kung sino ang gusto niya. At ikaw yun, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Sasabihin na niya yung buong katotohanan na ikaw ang nagpapasaya sa kanya. Or maybe this is you too, for some of you. Alright? So that's all I have for you for air signs. Maraming salamat. Okay? I really do feel this week ang dami yung iniisip. Love life, money, everything. Okay? So, ayan. Pwede na tayo sa water signs. Water signs. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Okay. Bago ko magsimula water signs, gagawin ko lang tong bell. Okay? 3 tunog para sa'yo, maalis yung mga ano nyo. And maka-attract ng abundance and prosperity in your life, water signs. Okay, warning, malakas tong tunog na to. Alright, o diba, nakaka-relax. Okay. That's one way to attract or manifest your dreams and abundance and happiness. Okay? That ding sound is what we call ding sound. Alright, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Pampaalis din yan ng mga negative energy. Okay? Pampaalis ng mga toxic energy and pampalakas ng, pampa-lift up ng pang-ano. Alright, water signs. Past, present, and future kapalaran. Past, present, and future energies para sa ating water signs. Okay. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Palobat ng ating aquarium. Jellyfish aquarium. Ayan na, nawawala na. Okay. Alright. Ooh. Okay. Napapansin nyo? Gumaganon-ganon siya. What's that? Alright. Ooh. Okay. Oh, parehas kayo ng air signs. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Parehas kayo dalawang nag-iisip. Iniisip nyo ang isa't isa. Alam mo, water signs, kung nagtatanong ka kung iniisip ka ng isang air sign, yeah, parehas kayong dalawa nag-iisipan kayong dalawa. I mean, parehas kayo ng iniisip, parehas kayong dalawa na iniisip ang isa't isa. Alam mo yun? Something like that. We'll see. Alright. Whew, all right. In the past, you were very, a lot of you water signs, you had this very unhealthy lifestyle. For some of you, you were in a very codependent relationship. Some of you were obsessed about someone in the past. In the past, you were so sexually obsessed about a certain individual in your life, a certain person in your life. You were very, wait lang guys. I had to, kasi babawalan ako ni YouTube. Wait lang guys, I'll be back. Right, so, ayan. Pasensya na, water signs. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Kailangan kong to kasi iba-block ni YouTube. Okay? Mabibigyan ako ng warning. But anyway, so in the past, some of you or a lot of you, buksan ko yung ilaw. Okay lang ba? O sige, ganyan na lang. Pasensya na if madilim ha. Lakasan nyo na lang yung brightness. Okay? So I feel like in the past, you were attached to someone. You were obsessed sa isang person. Some of you were in a very toxic, abusive relationship. Okay? Now, at the present moment, you are manifesting something in your life, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You want some changes in your life. This is what I'm getting. The energy that I'm feeling. You have a dream for yourself. You want to achieve something. Meron kang gustong makuha, meron kang gustong something. Some of you want to break free. Gusto mong umalis sa isang relasyon na hindi ka masaya, toxic, hindi healthy. Alam mo yun, feeling mo parang dark. You were in a very dark place. And right now, at the present moment, you are slowly breaking free from the very person that you're so attached with. Alam mo yun? Because in the past, you have the Temperance. In the past, you are in the situation, Aquarius, where everything is so light. Okay? Lumakas na naman ang ulan. I'll be right back, okay? Okay. Tayin ko lang humina yung ulan. Okay, ayan. Natapos rin ang ulan. Cancers. Pisces and Scorpio ay water signs. So again, I feel like in the future, you'll be in a place where everything is so light, no? Everything is peaceful. You'll be in a relationship that is full of harmony, a lot of healing. I really do see. Tingnan mo. In the past, you were in a very dark place, very toxic. Okay, at the present moment, you want some changes. You're manifesting. You're looking for some changes. You've been praying for some changes. So in the future, diba? The devil and an angel. Oh, diba? I love that energy. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. In the past, there is devil. In the future, meron kang angel. Oh, diba? I love this. So I feel like you're gonna be in a relationship or in a situation. It doesn't have to be a relationship. In a situation that is full of blessings, full of light, full of happiness, full of harmony, and magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind. Oh my God, peace of mind. Finally. And you're gonna be in a healthy environment. Not in a very toxic environment like what you had in the past. Okay? Beautiful. Alright, congratulations, no? I love that energy. So again, ibang scenario. You have the Fool. Okay. I feel like there is, in the past, there is this feeling na you met someone in the past, a very young looking person, no? And this person is a very carefree person, full of life, very innocent looking. You think this person was a fool. You think this person parang baliw, para siyang siraulo, like literally like a fool. Yan ang tingin mo sa kanya in the past. Right now, the present moment, ang dami mong na-realize about sa kanya. Page of Swords. One way you find out is through stalking. By stalking with this person, sa pag-stalk mo sa kanya, you gain a lot. You gain a lot of information about this. For some of you, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, you realize who this person is. You thought this person was parang hindi mo siya binigyan ng value, kumbaga, in the past. Parang, wala siyang halaga sa iyo, zero kumbaga. Okay. Kasi nga in the past parang tingin mo sa kanya sira ulo, baliw, parang gano'n, like a fool, 'di ba? And right now, ngayon, na-realize mo, ang dami mong na-realize na habang dami mong natutunan sa kanya, some of you were about friends, ang dami kang naririnig sa kanya about sa friends, and na-realize mo yung personality niya, hindi naman pala kung ano yung pagkakakilala mo sa kanya in the past, nagbago ngayon, lately. Tama ba? Now, in the future, masasaktan ka, mafe-feel guilty ka about something. I don't know why. Maybe something that you find out. Maybe this person will break your heart. Makakarinig ka ng hindi maganda. Sasabihin niya sa'yo kung kailan ka pa na in love ngayon. Parang nagkaroon ka ng feelings sa kanya lately. While in the past, ini-ignore mo lang siya. Binabaliwala. And now, na parang nagkaroon ka na ng halaga. Nagkaroon na at the present moment, parang na-realize mo yung halaga niya. In the future, masasaktan ka kasi parang huli na ang lahat. Something like that. Okay? Alright, different scenario. In the past, I feel like you're trying to forget someone in the past. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, tama ba? You have decided to disconnect. You disconnected from this person. Some of you, you're trying to escape. You're trying to avoid. Pero dala-dala mo pa rin sa isipan tong tao na to. Now, at the present moment, you somehow feel very proud with this person, or somehow you want to, right now, at the present moment, ikaw naman ngayon nagpapansin. You have this wish fulfillment. You have this thinking na sana, iniisip mo na sana mapansin na ako. Sana, because you have this smile in your face. Somehow you feel happy. There is this feeling na nagbibigyan siya ng kasayahan sa puso mo for some reason, I don't know why. Now, in the future, magsasabi siya ng katotohanan sa'yo kung anong nararamdaman. I feel like you both feel this because this Knight of Cups, meron din sa water sign, sa air signs. So, panoorin nyo yung air signs. Okay? Mag-cross-watcher ka, Cancer, for your person. I feel like parehas kayo in the future, mag-uusap kayo, and then sasabihin ninyo yung totoo sa isa't isa. Alam mo yun, magkaroon na kayo ng kaliwanagan sa mga nangyayari. Kasi in the past, parang there is this uncertainty and clarity in your situation. Parang alam mo sa sarili mo may hindi nasasabi. And you know this. You both feel this. I feel like both of you, parehas din kayo nag-iisip. Sinag-aantayan kayong dalawa. Oh my God, you know what? Both of you have this deep feelings for each other, and both of you are waiting. Ano ba yan? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Alright, different scenario, but definitely in the past. This person will offer their love to you. The person will love you, will date you, will sabihin niya yun ang nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Okay, paparamdam niya yung pagmamahal sa'yo. This person cares so much about you, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay? I'm getting a strong, I don't know what zodiac sign is. Lahat naman zodiac signs nandito. Alright. In the past, some of you, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, nahirapan kayong, mag-budget ng pera in the past. Okay? And nag-iipon talaga. Meron kayong pinag-iipunan. Mahigpit kayo sa pera in the past. When it comes to your finances, sobrang higpit. And nahirapan kayong mag-budget. Now, at the present moment, you feel confident that there's something out there for you. You feel confident in achieving, setting your goals. Alam mo yun, you're so confident. You have this feeling na kaya ko to. You have this energy na I will do this. Kaya ko rin to. Parang nabigyan ka ng pag-asa. I don't know who gave you this confidence. Someone boost your confidence for some reason. I feel like it has something to do with a person. Nagbigay inspirasyon sa'yo. Tama ba? Nagbigay ng inspirasyon sa'yo yung tao na to. And because of that, in the near future, you're heading towards this Empress. Empress doesn't mean a person, but this Empress represents abundance, fertility. Some of you will create a new enterprise. I'm hearing the word business. Some of you will start a business that would lead to your abundance, prosperity, and kasaganahan. Okay? Some of you are planning. You are mayroon kang pinag-iipunan in the past, and then inaantay mo na lang na makuha mo yung target na amount, something like that, para magtayo ng business or something like that. And you will be successful with this Empress card. I love this energy. Okay? You are so confident about your dreams, your goals. You're so confident na nabigyan ka ng inspirasyon, nabuhayan ka ng kumbaga, nabuhayan yung kaluluwa mo. Okay? Your spirit has been lifted up by this angel. Oh? Because of this angel, you have a guardian angel with you. And because of that, nagkaroon ka ng inspirasyon, naganahan ka magtrabaho. Parang ganon yung energy na kuko. And then, ayan, in the future, you will be sitting in abundance in a situation where everything around you is just really beautiful. Alam mo yun? Everything, lahat masaya, lahat puno ng kasaganahan. I love this energy. But watch out, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, because meron ka na naman, for some of you who are very mahilig sa alam mo niya, mahilig sa mga, lalo na ngayon, tag-ulan, mahilig sa mga cuddle-cuddle, mahilig matulog, kasama ang partner. Alam mo yun ang eksena kung saan patutungo yung ganyan. Meron kayong mabubuntis. This rainy season. By December, meron kayong mabubuntis. So, it's up to you kung di ka mag-iingat. But, destiny is destiny. Kung mangyayari to, mangyayari to. But, it's another blessing for you. So, ayan, congratulations. Okay? Ngayon pa lang kinocongratulate ko na kayo, water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, kasi meron namang mabubuntis. It's either this is your partner or someone else, basta may mabubuntis. Alright, so, ayan mga madam and sir, diyan nagtatapos ang ating past, present, and future kapalaran sa ating all zodiac signs. Maraming salamat. Let me know in the comments if nagre-resonate. I'm so excited for everything. Okay? This month and sa mga susunod na buwan. Okay? Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan ulit babalik ang ating live streaming para sa pahula. Maybe around December na siguro or November. Kasi, nag-focus nga ako ngayon sa mga ritual at mga spells na gagawin. Dami nagpapa-request. But anyway, I see you again tomorrow. Pagod na ang boss ko. Maraming salamat. God bless. Ingat po. Paalam.